Salam family. This is Unity. This is a Unity moment. So y'all, I'm cleaning my work area up. This is what I got done so far. I'm organizing. I gotta get all this. This is my work table. So I'm cleaning it up. And I got these paints and stuff right here. Then I got all these paints down here that I gotta organize. And then I got some paints over here that I gotta organize. So this is my current situation. I'm looking for some wooden organizers. I think I found some on Amazon. So I got this the size that I'm looking for, because I have a lot of these little bottles like this. And then I have some tubes. So once I finish, I'm gonna show y'all what I have done. This is what I got done so far. I need to go over these bottles and clean them up. And I'm also putting some things aside for a giveaway. So y'all stay tuned for that. I think I did it last year. Yeah, early last year. I did a giveaway. So this year I'm gonna do one too with some paints and stuff. But yeah, I got a lot more to do. And I just wanted to share y'all my current moment of a earring artist, hand-painted earring artist, amongst many things. I have some more things I want to share with y'all. So just stay tuned and I'll be back. All right, y'all. Inshallah, y'all having a good day. Ramadan Mubarak to all. And I will see y'all in my next video. Salam, salam.